The bar exam. So, what is the bar exam? The bar examination is the professional licensure examination for lawyers in the Philippines. It is the exams that all law students, including us, have been preparing for since we started our journey in law school. However, aside from the subject coverage of the said exams, what do we really know about the bar exams? Let's take a look at what all aspiring lawyers need to know before they can take the bar exams. But before we begin, a fun fact. Did you know that the bar exam is the only licensure exam that is not held by the Professional Regulation Commission? Yes, it's true. The bar exams are held by the Supreme Court of the Philippines through the Bar Examinations Committee as per the 1987 Constitution. So, who can take the bar exams? According to Rule 183 of the Rules of Court, members of the bar must be 1. A Filipino citizen. 2. At least 21 years of age. 3. Must be of good moral character. And 4. A Philippine resident. But what about the academic qualifications for the bar examinations? Here are the required academic qualifications in order to be allowed to take the bar examinations. The applicant must be a holder of a professional degree in law from a recognized school in the Philippines and must be a holder of a bachelor's degree with academic credit in certain required subjects from a recognized college or university in the Philippines or abroad. As for the admission fee, the fees may vary, but as of February 10, 2023, an applicant must pay 12,800 for the admission fee. Now that we know what qualifications an applicant must possess in order to take the bar examinations, let us dive briefly into the topics covered in the said exams. In order to pass the bar exam, aspiring lawyers must get a general average of 75% in all subjects without failing below 50% in any subject. Here are the subjects covered in the bar examinations. For the first week, political law and labor law and social legislation. For the second week, civil law and taxation law. For the third week, mercantile law and criminal law. For the fourth week, remedial law and legal ethics and practical exercises. So, when do the bar exams usually take place? Normally, or before the pandemic, the bar examinations were held during all 4 Sundays of November. 2 bar subjects shall be taken every week. One is scheduled in the morning, while another is in the afternoon. However, since the pandemic, the schedule of the bar exams have varied. As for the venue where the bar examinations are conducted, starting the 2020-2021 bar examinations, it was conducted in 29 different local testing centers located in different parts of the country. A lot of changes happened after the COVID-19 pandemic, and the manner on how aspiring lawyers take the bar examinations is no exception. From the traditional handwritten booklet type examinations, the bar examinations have shifted to electronic examinations. The Supreme Court has adopted an electronic platform, the ExamSoft, in administering the bar examinations. ExamSoft has a proven record for administering state bar exams with the highest level of platform security and stability available. And now, let's go with the Integrated Bar of the Philippines, or the IBP. What is the IBP? It is a national organization of the legal profession based on the recognition of the lawyer as an officer of the court set up by government authority. This power to integrate the Philippine Bar was vested upon the Supreme Court by virtue of the 1987 Constitution. So, why was the IBP organized? The fundamental purposes of the IBP shall be to elevate the standards of the legal profession, improve the administration of justice, and enable the bar to discharge its public responsibility more effectively. However, isn't it a violation of one's right to freedom of association to compel a lawyer to be a member of the IBP? The court has ruled in several cases that it is not violative of a lawyer's constitutional right. Integration does not make a lawyer a member of any group of which he is not already a member. He became a member of the bar when he passed the bar examinations. Bar integration is not unfair to lawyers already practicing because although the requirement to pay annual dues is a new regulation, it will give the members of the bar a new system which they have not had and through which they will receive benefits they have not had enjoyed and discharge their public responsibilities in a more effective manner than they have been able to do in the past. We must all remember that the practice of law is not a vested right, but a privilege clothed with public interest because a lawyer owes duties not only to his client, but also to his brethren in the profession, to the courts, and to the nation. It is only fair and just that the exercise of that privilege be regulated to assure compliance with the lawyer's public responsibilities.